Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving week. We are going to go ahead and choose our raffle winners for this week. Sorry, that's pretty loud today. Turn it down a little bit. Our first winner is Nair. And in the email, guys, remember I said that everybody got to be on our wheel this week. So even if you maybe missed class, since it's Thanksgiving week and I'm thankful for you all, I put everybody on the list. See who our next winner is. Oh, you know what? Kobe actually is not in our class anymore. Just found out, so we're going to keep spinning. Anaya is our next winner. Awesome. Getting all new winners this week so far. That's exciting. Let's go for one more spin, see who we get. Caitlin. Awesome, guys. So keep an eye on your mailboxes for your prize. And remember that the way we are choosing winners for this week is class attendance and IXL usage. So read that email and make sure that you're earning those entries. See you guys soon.